Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to update your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. So the first one is right here. So this is how you would do it. So first you will need Drive Easy and you'll have to download that. Basically it's going to be your driver installer and then press scan now. From there you will have to press update all. So this might include other things just besides your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless. So next is you can also do this manually. So the first thing you'll have to do is press the Windows logo key plus R at the same time and enter devmanagement.msc or devmgmt.msc. From there, you want to expand the sound and video games controllers category in your device manager and then look for HyperX Virtual Sound Surround, uninstall the device and press OK. From there, you will have to unplug the HyperX headset and reboot the computer, and then when it's already plugged in again and you have restarted, you will have to download the latest high definition audio coder software for your Windows OS, of course. So you have to follow the on-screen instructions. So if you don't know how to do that, you can actually look for the Realtek audio codec software. Just search in Google basically, but you'll just have to search it and then you'll have to download it. It will automatically download. It will give you an installer once you find it. So all you have to do is search this basically on your Google Chrome. So from there and find it right here and then install it basically. So there you go. So you'll have to accordingly download to your own software right here via Realtek. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.